Shoot, I might have to up.
No, don't even start.
Welcome back, everybody. I'm Trey Herrera. For those who are new, go ahead and subscribe, like your boy, share this video, do all that cool stuff so YouTube can recommend me a little bit more. So as everybody can see, the Z is currently torn apart. And the reason the Z is torn apart is because my neighbor backed into it. As of, you guys know, as of last week, he did cover his end, which I am super grateful for, because a lot of people nowadays are not honest, and he was fully honest with me about what happened, and he was willing to make the situation correct. So if my neighbor is watching this, thank you so much for taking care of the situation and not leaving me high and dry. So I did order a fender from Concept Z Performance for the 300Z. I also did order some new vinyl wrap, and I got some fiberglass Bondo to fix up the body work on the Z. So this is what we got for the GTO so far. It's completely opened up and ready to get fabbed up for the hot side. We are using truck manifolds. We're gonna V-band either here or down here, much like mine is. We're pretty much just waiting on pieces. Now, the other thing on the Z while we wait is I'm actually getting some new adapter lines for the power steering on this car because it has no power steering. Originally, I had set it up with the banjo style connection to the rack, and those leaked really bad. I'm pretty much gonna go to a AN style fitting. We also, lastly, ordered the vinyl wrap for this thing, which is really cool, super exciting. So hopefully before the week is out, I will have a full on, or at least an unboxing. Now, as for Jesus's car, you guys haven't seen Jesus's car. He got loose, and I don't mean to put him on blast, but the V8 was too much for my boy. Oh, the V8 was too much for my boy. Oh, sad day. Look at this. This looks like them girls with the weak ankles. Oh, sad day. My boy got loose. Hold on, I gotta show you guys his rim. And I got to get an interview of this fool. But yeah, he got loose a little too much with the welded diff. Super lightweight car, and LS power got away from him. And this is what happens. Well, what happened to your car, bro? Whole story.
I was sending it a little too hard without any gas. Okay. So like I went and hit this thing. I was like, oh yeah, and then it cuts off. And then all of a sudden, I guess the little gas I had splashed back to my pump, and it was like, whoa! It gave me all of it. I did like a 360 into the curb, bro.
Oh man. So what else happened though?
What do you mean? What else?
What else happened?
What, my windshield?
Yeah, your windshield. What happened to the car after that?
Bro, I got impounded. The cops are like, we can't let you drive it. Like, it's not street worthy. And then they're like, they literally just gave me a ride home. Like, they didn't want me to take it.
Do you have the clip? Do you still have the clip?
I have a...
You have the story,
yeah,
right?
I do have it, yeah.
Yeah, okay, so so I filmed his car yesterday, and he has this clip where he does hashtag Uber, and he's in the back of a cop car.
Yeah, I was like, damn, that sucks.
So
they lost my exhaust too.
Mm-hmm.
I think that was the tow truck. Yeah, it was horrible.
Yeah, so rebuilding the E30 again.
Yeah, once more. How many times it broke? Like 4 or 5 times.
Yeah. Hey, this time it lasted the longest.
Yeah, this time bro, I drove it to Canyon City.
Yeah, go ahead.
I drove it to Canyon City. I blew up an oil line. All my oil was out, but I stopped. I didn't actually...
You didn't blow the motor up?
Didn't blow anything up or hurt anything. Did really good. And then I'm over here playing. Like I said, if I would have had gas, I don't think that would have happened, but... it hella caught me. Like it caught off completely,
Yeah.
and then it gave me all the juice, bro, all the juice.
And in his super light car, that the juice is a lot in that little thing. Like it's like
it did a 360, man. I was going like this, and then the whole car went like, whoa.
Bro, I told my dad your rear wheel looks like those girls with weak ankles.
Yeah.
Hey, I did the same thing in the Z, like the oil lines, that part, the oil lines came off. So the remote lines, definitely be careful with the remote lines. Make sure they're really tight and super thick. But yeah, I crashed the BMW a couple times too. Like jumped it off the curb, and I got lucky. I didn't actually hurt like the control arms or anything, so. Bruh, I waited so long. I couldn't take it no more. So literally heading to the shop. I was hella trying to just receive this package. We'll just get it later tonight, whatever. My dad is working out the house right now, so I was just gonna have him sign for it. I think it's time, guys. It's time to really do the tube front, do everything on this thing. I love this car. I also want to do, I don't know if you guys have a link, but so you guys know I ride BMX, and with me riding BMX, I don't want to put my bike in and out of the car so much anymore. I want to do the suction cup bike mounts. So if you guys have a link or have experience with that, let me know. Please tag me. All right, guys. I just got the call from my dad. Packages are at the house, so we're gonna do an unboxing. I've been waiting forever. I feel like the postal service and just everything in general is really slow right now, so we're gonna do an official unboxing of everything, and give you guys the full rundown of the build. Dang, here we go. All right, guys, well, let's get started. Oh, this is gonna be messy. All right, let's go easiest first. Oil feed and drain. And this also is, let's see. Yep. So this is for the downpipe for the turbo. Really nice. Okay. We have the AN fittings, and these are dash 10s for the oil. I'm gonna put that all in one bag. Also, another AN fitting, a dash 4 for the feed, which is this guy. I'm gonna have to make hella space in the car to fit all of this. Oh, it's funny because this is not even mine, and I'm still super excited about it. This is how you know I love this stuff. Oh, here's the wastegate. The VS Racing 44 mil. We're gonna do a single gate setup on this. This thing's actually extremely nice. Extremely nice. Comes with the flange and everything. Comes with the flange. Also on the bottom. And yeah, this thing's extremely nice. All the different springs. Hopefully they're labeled. Springs and fittings. These so far, based on the wastegate, because I've used tile wastegate. Based on the wastegate, the quality is very, very nice. So I'm assuming this is going to be of the same thing. Which it is very, very nice. It looks really, really cool. It's anodized black, really nice looking. Everything's nice looking. So this one has a spring and a flange. Yeah. So my wife is behind the camera. I do look pretty bad. I just came from riding my bike, so I look a little trash, but it's all good. Anyway, this is how you know I was telling them like that those pieces are really, really nice.
Oh yeah.
Like everything's really nice, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But this is how you know I'm all excited and it's not even
And it's
my
not
car.
even. I know.
Anyway, I don't know what this guy is. I'm assuming this is a maybe intercooler piping. I'm not sure. But so far, based on how everything came, it was packaged real nicely.
Yeah, it looks nice.
So this is real cool. Yeah, this is all intercooler piping. So this is a complete kit, pretty much. All your couplers. I'm not gonna take it all out, but T-bolt clamps, more T-bolt clamps. We did a full 3-inch setup, so this will be really, really nice when I go and set up all the intercooler stuff. This is one thing I replaced on my car that I didn't care for. I have actually this one has like the nylon braided oil drain. These aren't bad, but I do think the stainless steel is better. So yeah, we use this one. I'm gonna heat wrap it, but the stainless steel is better. And if I have extra, I'm gonna use the stainless steel instead of this guy. Oh, this is intercooler. I'm trying to be as clean as possible. All right. Yeah, that's a big boy.
Cool.
You know what that is?
It's the thing to make it cold.
Mm-hmm.
What is it called?
It's called the intercooler.
Intercooler. Oh my gosh.
It's the thing to make it cold. Yes, you're correct. It's the intercooler.
Or to not heat up, right? Or
Yeah.
overheat.
Now, when my turbo came, it was in a much bigger box because my turbo is bigger than this guy, but this one is gonna hurt feelings equally the same. 7875s are really nice. And this one's the billet one, so this is probably gonna look nicer than mine too. You know, you gotta build stuff better for your customers than what you build for yourself. That's kind of like my rule of thumb. I try to do better work on a customer's car than I do myself, you know? What do you think?
No, I think you did good stuff. As if it was your own.
I mean, I try to do as best work possible on my own, but I definitely feel like when it's not mine, I take care of it even that much more.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah. Oh, she's beautiful. Right there.
Oh wow. That's cool.
Hold on. Oh, that's nice.
How do the new kids do it?
Huh?
What do the new kids say?
Sheeeeesh. Dang, this thing's pretty. Sheeeesh. Look at that. That's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot, I might have to up.
No, don't even start.
Don't start.
No.
Why not?
Anyway, focus.
You don't want to go twins?
Focus.
Look at twins. Hey, by the way, guys, we're having a baby boy. He's gonna like things like this, hopefully.
Yes.
Sheesh. All right. So
Dang,
far, this
I
is...
wasn't filming though. Sorry, I was. I love doing that to him.
Make that camera out of my face. What is that, Nacho Libre?
Yeah, get that corn out of my face.
Alright, so here's the drain, oil drain. It's cool. And the seal plate. Does this come with anything else? Yeah, that is it. But the rest of the hot side piping will be here tomorrow, along with the T4 flange and some flex pipe and a couple other things that I need to actually get the kit welded up and made for them. So, but yeah, this is what we've been waiting for the past, last week or so, and now we could really get started. So I'm super excited. Okay guys, so now it's time to get some food, a little late night run, and we're super excited. My wife
It
just.
smells like skunk in here. Just so you know. There was a skunk
It smells
by
like
my grandma's house.
It smells like these nuts.
Ew.
It smells like skunk.
Yeah. My grandma had a skunk by her house and like got in here.
All right, guys. Yeah. So you probably can't see me, but if you can, that's a wrap for this video.
Babe, there.
Yeah, I'm struggling over here. Anyway, that's a wrap for this video. Can't wait to get started. Hopefully this gives you guys some inspiration for your build. 7875 Billet VS Racing Turbo should really wake this 6.0 GTO up. And yeah, I'm just excited. I like doing this kind of stuff. The goal is to build something really, really crazy, and you know, we're already on the right track. Anyway, guys, if you guys like the content, if you're new, subscribe and support your boy. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.